Good day. Today we will have an exploration about earthquakes. Earthquakes, one of nature's most powerful and dramatic displays of force, are the result of complex interactions beneath the Earth's surface. These geological events are driven by a combination of natural processes that release stored energy, causing the ground to shake. In this video, we will unravel the forces that lead to earthquakes, shedding light on the dynamic processes that shape our planet's crust. Tectonic plate movements. At the heart of earthquake activity lies the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. The Earth's lithosphere, the rigid outer shell composed of these massive plates, is in a constant state of motion. Convection currents within the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath the lithosphere drive these plates, causing them to interact along their boundaries. An earthquake is the sudden movement of the Earth's crust. Earthquakes occur along fault lines, cracks in the Earth's crust where tectonic plates meet. They occur where plates are subducting, spreading, slipping, or colliding. As the plates grind together, they get stuck and pressure builds up. Finally, the pressure between the plates is so great that they break loose. Depending on how much pressure has built up, the ground may tremble slightly or shake forcefully. As tectonic plates move, they can interact in several ways. Convergent boundaries. At convergent boundaries, two tectonic plates move towards each other. One plate may be forced beneath the other in a process called subduction. The intense pressure and friction at these boundaries can cause rocks to deform and accumulate stress. Eventually, the stress becomes too great and the rocks break along a fault line, causing an earthquake. Divergent boundaries. At divergent boundaries, tectonic plates move away from each other. As the plates separate, magma from the mantle can rise to fill the gap, creating a new crust. However, this process can also cause stress to build up in the surrounding rocks, leading to earthquakes. Transform boundaries. At transform boundaries, two tectonic plates slide past each other horizontally. The friction between these plates prevents smooth movement, causing stress to accumulate along faults. Measuring and categorizing earthquakes. Earthquakes are measured and categorized using a scientific system known as the Richter scale or the moment magnitude scale (MU). These scales quantify the energy released during an earthquake and its amplitude as recorded by seismographs. The Richter scale assigns a single numerical value to an earthquake's magnitude, reflecting the amplitude of seismic waves. Meanwhile, the moment magnitude scale considers various factors, including the area of the fault that slipped and the amount of displacement, providing a more accurate measure of an earthquake's true size. Magnitudes are typically divided into categories, such as minor, light, moderate, strong, major, and great, each representing a progressively higher level of seismic energy release. Earthquake effects, and the imperative of disaster preparedness. In addition to ground shaking, earthquakes can trigger a cascade of secondary events that amplify their impact. These include tsunamis, landslides, liquefaction, and even volcanic activity in some cases. And that's it. I hope you learn about earthquakes. This is Group 10. God bless, and have a nice day.